All right, guys, so on this Friday, as we get ready to kind of finish up our final paragraph and write our conclusion to our energy paper, I want you to kind of remember this. This should be in your journal, but I thought it'd be easier than you searching for it. That it's important to captivate our reader. Okay, it needs to be a exciting conclusion. We can't end our paper after we've worked so hard on it with a boring conclusion. So these were 4 ways that we talked about earlier this year on how to make sure we're captivating our audience. So the first way was a reminder, okay, just making them remember something that's very important, okay. You could challenge or invite them to do something, all right. Give a quote from somebody famous about it, or make a prediction in the future. All right, so think about these. I think last time, I think I made you do the same thing. I think we all maybe did a reminder. I think we all did the reminder one. This time, you can pick any of these. It doesn't matter. It just needs to go with your paper and make your ending captivating. All right, so on the next slide, I will model and show you what I chose. And then you're going to do one for yours and attach it so I can see your conclusion paragraph.